Hello friends, in this video we are going to take a ramp signal to determine whether it is energy signal or power signal. So in a continuous time domain, x of t is given as t u of t to determine whether this is energy signal or a power signal. So basically here there are two functions, one is u of t and another is t, which is changing with respect to time linearly. U of t will tell that this function exists from 0 to infinity. So keeping this in mind, let's sketch it first. So 0 to infinity, in this region signal exists. If I put t equal to 0, I will get x of t 0. For t equal to 1, the signal will have the value 1. Likewise, for t equal to 2, it is 2 and so on. Meaning, if you plot the signal, it will be like this. For t equal to 1, it will have the value 1. Basically, the magnitude of this signal is 1. The signal which is increasing or decreasing with respect to independent variable t and the nature of increment is linear, then that signal is called as ramp signal. For a ramp signal, the magnitude is nothing but slope of the line. So in our case, the magnitude is 1, so I can say slope of the signal is 1. Let's find out the energy. E infinity equals integral minus infinity to infinity x square t dt. Since the signal exists from 0 to infinity, hence the limit will be 0 to infinity and u of t will have the value 1, so only signal left is t, whose square is t square. So in the end I will get this simple integral. If we solve, we will get t cube by 3 limit 0 to infinity. So applying the limits, in the end I will get infinity cube, which is nothing but infinity. So energy of the signal is infinity. I can say signal is not an energy signal. So we need to go for calculation of power. Power of the signal, P infinity equals limit t tend to infinity 1 upon 2t integral minus t to t x square t dt. Once again, because of a unit step, we can cut short the limit from 0 to t, and the u of t will have the value 1 and t square is kept inside the integral. So here we will solve this limit by first solving the integral. T cube by 3 0 to t So after simplifying and applying the limits, we'll get this. In the end, which can be written like this: t cube upon 6t. So once again we can say t tending to infinity. That means t is not equal to infinity. So one t can be cancelled out over here. The remaining part is p infinity equal to limit t tend to infinity t square upon 6. If I apply the limits, meaning wherever there is t, I will put infinity. I will get infinity square by 6, which is nothing but infinity only. Since the power is infinite, I can say signal is not a power signal. Now what is happening over here? A infinity is infinity and P infinity is also infinity. So both the quantities are infinite. I can say given signal is neither energy nor power signal. This is the end of a sum. Thank you.